saying, overall, forget the individual studies. Where's the picture at here? So it's really fun, and I think it's really important because science is...
Commercial-free Christmas favorites on iHeart Christmas. And get jolly with North Pole Radio, hosted by Santa Claus. All your favorite music, all your favorite stations, all free. iHeart Radio.
Being stuck with...
To cut funds from the clinics after heavily edited...
Oh my God! Oh!
Text messages exchanged between two senior FBI employees and any communication that they had with FBI Deputy Director Andrew McCabe. And he's not the only one calling for more information.
Okay, we're stopping.
We are just a few minutes away from opening up the door to a brand new Highway 5. His name is Adam Jones.
Okay, stop.
Former
Call 911, Chris.
Charges filed after arms out an open window on a cruise ship. This happened in July, and now Puerto Rican authorities have arrested the grandfather for negligent homicide. The family's attorney says it's ridiculous.
Really, in a lot of ways, I think it's salt on the wounds of the family who are still grieving.
The family lawyer calls it a tragic accident.
So you want to tell your friends they're boring you?
Worse than the DVD. The remastering process was shit. Another one that comes to mind is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2, The Secret of the Ooze. If you have Secret
Holy shit. Shoot, what happened?
Oh, I don't know. Flat tire?
Oh, I'm so glad we weren't in the middle of that. Holy cow, we gotta go help some people.
They were, very cleverly immunizing themselves and having plausible deniability. And you say, well, let's go to send people to prison, and so be it. The problem, I would say,